We're not letting mosquitoes ruin our summer.
Hi, I'm Charlene, and today we're making DIY citronella candles. I love getting creative with the vessels, so I thought it'd be super cute to repurpose old tomato cans and terracotta pots to make a really unique summer candle. So let's get into it.
For supplies, you'll need candle soy wax, which can be in flake or block form, citronella essential oil that's approved for candle making, a heat-safe pouring container and stir stick, candle wicks, wick stickers, or you can use a hot glue gun, popsicle sticks or skewers. For your vessel, this is where you can get creative. I used empty tomato cans and terracotta pots. You can buy all of these supplies individually or available in candle making kits. Let's start. I'm using the double boiler method, which is one of the safest ways to melt candle wax. Fill your pot with a few inches of water and bring it to a simmer. Then place your wax into your pouring container. Another option is to melt old candles or candles from the dollar store. Next, place your container into your pot. This double boiler method melts the wax from the indirect heat of the hot water rather than sitting directly on the stove. As the wax begins to melt, stir occasionally until it's completely liquid. Once the wax is fully melted, remove it from the pot and add your citronella scent. A good rule of thumb is to use about 1.5 ounces of fragrance oil per pound of wax. Let the wax cool slightly before pouring. While the wax cooled, I quickly prepared my vessels by adding wicks to them. I used double-sided stickers to adhere the wicks and made sure to push down firmly to the bottom of the vessel. For the bigger vessels, I added 3 wicks. Carefully pour the wax into your prepared containers, leaving a small amount of space at the top.
If the wicks shift while you're pouring, don't worry. We'll center and secure them once all of the vessels are filled with wax.
To make sure your wick stays centered, I like using a popsicle stick with a small hole in the middle. Just thread the wick through and rest the stick across the top of the container. You could also use a pen and wrap the wick around it, or use 2 skewers to hold the wick in place. Now it's a waiting game. Allow the candles to cool completely and avoid moving them while they're sitting. As the wax cools, you might notice a small dip forming around the wick. That's completely normal and happens because wax naturally contracts as it cools. If that happens, simply save a little extra melted wax and do a second pour to create a smooth finish on top. Once your candles are fully set, trim the wick to about 1/4 inch before lighting. And that's it, your DIY citronella candles are ready to enjoy. I think they turned out so cute. Not only are they practical for patios, balconies, and backyards, but they're also a fun way to repurpose items you might already have at home. Plus, they make really thoughtful handmade gifts for summer hosts, gardeners, or anyone who loves spending time outdoors. I wrapped mine in clear wrap and added a little bow on top. It's so cute. Here's my homemade citronella collection, and I can't wait to use them all summer long. Let me know in the comments, which one would you make for your outdoor space?